Our coverage of Mining Disrupt 2024 is brought to you by Alphium, Blockflow Alliance, Yeti Audits, and Dynex. Without your support of our channel, as well as our brand/partners, this content would not be possible, and we thank you very much. Make sure to check out links to our partners in today's video description. And now let's see what's happening at Mining Disrupt 2024.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech. We're over here where Foghashing and both Osprey are. We got both of them here. Crypto Mikhail just did a video on them, showing off actually one of the units we saw online on their Twitter, their BC40 Elite, their dry cooler setup. They got a smaller unit right behind me. I'm not sure if it holds 32. We'll have to check it out. We're probably going to check it out later on today. But Foghashing, I believe, has a newer unit that I need to check out. But you got the H200 Hydro, the Immersion, the 10-foot container, which is what is behind me. And then you got the big boy 40-foot container, which we saw online. Then Osprey as well, where you got their various, like the E300. We've seen these before, but Crypto Mikhail does a really good job covering these. The FPGAs right here, right? So this is what they look like. This is what's in these boards, I believe, right here. Okay. So they reball the chips, right? They take it off of, I forgot the model number of the FPGA, but you can see right there, there's the Xilinx Vertex, and the chip is the CVU9P, the XCVU9P. That's actually in a number of FPGAs, but that's the actual chip right there. This is the board. That one looks a lot cleaner. They should be using that one as the front. But really cool to see out here. And look, they can mine Gram, Alphium, EVGA, and Radiant. And if we look here, there's your hash rates, right? So for Radiant, depending on your clocks, 7.2 gigahash at roughly 27.85 megahash per watt, or 260 watts. You could turn it up a little bit more, 530 watts on Radiant. EVGA, the most efficient, looks like 24.8 gigahash at around 227 watts, or 109 megahash per watt. And then you also have their high big boy overclock of 40 gigahash at 611 watts, 66.81 megahash per watt. Gram as well, and Alphium. Alphium, let's see here. I think Alphium is doing really pretty good on these E300s. 230 watts, 14.85 gigahash. Gram, 520 is the clock, which I think most of these are around 500. Yeah, most of these are around 500 clock. But it's 24.4 gigahash, plus or minus 5%, at 272 watts. So if you push these things, you can make them mine a little bit more efficiently, or you can just push them as hard as you can and get as much performance and the coin that you're looking for. But basically an S9 case or chassis with their boards, with the reballed FPGAs. And if you're interested in content on this Osprey E300, I challenge you to check out Crypto Mikhail, who's done a really good job covering all that. But we'll come back to Foghashing a little bit later. I got something to show you guys. 1 megawatt BC40 Elite. So that's 1 megawatt. I wonder how much the 10-foot container is. Helium hotspot from Osprey. We'll see how those go. But all right, let me continue moving on. Hit the like button. See you in the next one.